Step 1. Identify the COM port. Check which COM port the hardware is using. This can typically be verified in ports under the device manager. Step 2. Open Modbus Pol software, configure the flow meter. Setup. Read or write definition. Enter the slave ID, communication address of the flow meter. The default ID is 1. Set the function code to 03. Enter 31 as the address. Set the quantity to 4. Select floating inverse as the display type. Check the box for PLC address base 1. Step 3. Connect to the flow meter. Select the COM port that corresponds to your USB to RS-485 converter. The baud rate, parity bit should match the flow meter S settings. Choose the RTU mode, and then click OK. Step 4. Verify data acquisition. Once the connection is established, the software should display the data from the flow meter. The registers 40,031 to 40,032 correspond to the instantaneous flow rate. The registers 40,033 to 40,034 correspond to the accumulated flow.